All right, guys. Hey, YouTube, drdecks here. Studio Man is unavailable today, so I am doing your weekly update. So since we talked to you last, we have gotten our waterproof bladder installed. We finished up our framing. I don't know if we had the mid-span pressure blocking in or our over the beam blocking or any of our flat blocking installed, but that's all done. We have our bladder system in as well. So this keeps the deck completely waterproof. There's also the baffles over here. So those baffles catch the rainwater and they'll drop them into a gutter, which will be installed along this beam. So that'll go along the beam, and then we're gonna run a downspout over to catch this downspout so it catches into the drainage so we're not draining over the drain field. Okay, so that all looks really good. Now we're gonna go upstairs and we'll show you the top side and kind of show you what we've been doing besides this deck. So a lot of moving of materials and things. Oh, 3 points of contact, guys, when you're climbing ladders, okay? Always 3 points of contact. Once we got that completely done, we have put up a bunch of plywood all up here to safely work on this deck. This is 12 feet up from the ground, and that's another 11 feet above there. So we got all this plywood and we've screwed it all together so it's fairly safe to walk on. And then we started cleaning up the side of the house because it was a mess. This used to be tile, so we took the lowest piece of siding off, cleaned up all the garbage, all this stuff, took these lights out. New ones are coming in. Have a little bit of water damage in this corner. Had to take out the LVL. All these joists coming out of the house are all LVLs, which is an engineered lumber, but they cut all these on a taper because this used to be a tile deck and they needed to put drainage on it. Well, the tile deck was failing. We're taking this off, this outside rim joist, and we're sistering new joists to here. And what we're gonna do is in the middle, we're gonna go out an extra 2 feet so that we can mimic this curve. So this curve is now, we didn't plan this. This came about as we were building, and the clients were like, hey, doctor, we absolutely love this curve. We love it so much, we want you to recreate it up here. And I'm like, sure, no problem, I got you. I got you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with this 2 foot that's cantilevered out the house. These LVLs are stronger than traditional lumber. They're actually 1 3/4 by 12 inch or 11 1/4 at the house, and they're 10 1/2 down here, but we're gonna put in new 2x12s. We're gonna glue and screw them to the sides of each one of these joists here. And then we're gonna bring them out to create the same curve that we have down here. So we're gonna start at the house over here, and some of these LVLs will just get cut, but then eventually we're gonna be coming out a little bit more to bring back this curve and cut it back into there. So that'll be a fun week. So I'll get you guys back on that next week and show you what we did there. And then we're also gonna put in a new ledger, a new rim, not a new ledger, excuse me, a new outside rim joist. And we're gonna hang it low so that we have something to attach our gutter to, because we're gonna put a bladder on this deck as well. We have to, because we have to protect these LVLs. They cannot get wet. Cannot, okay? They're designed for interior, not exterior. I don't know, there's probably some builders out there could look at this and go, well, doctor, actually, these are exterior grade, but I don't think they are. I could be wrong. Don't quote me. Like I said, I don't build, we'll ask Awesome Framers. Maybe Awesome Framers will know. He might be swinging by the job site next week for a special guest appearance. We have some Stabila stuff going on, so if you're on Instagram, give us a follow, and you might win some really cool swagger next week. Little hint. So there's that. So we had a lot of staples to pull out of the bottom because there was softening, and they used staples, which I didn't understand, but okay. And then we had to pull all the nails out of the top of these because we're repurposing all those. This still has to come off. We'll do that next week. This still has to come off. We'll do that next week. And then we'll get the frame done. We'll get the outside rim joist on, and then we'll bladder this, and then it'll be ready for deck boards. So this deck's ready for decking, but obviously we're building on top of it, so there you go. All right, man, leave your questions and comments below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we're putting out new content. I will leave you with a beautiful view of the Puget Sound and all those lucky people out there that are enjoying it on their boats and personal watercraft. All right, guys. Have a good one. Over and out.